Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be talking to you about the PlannerKate monthly options and how to make a monthly option out of a mini kit if one of the mini kits is your favorite kit and you don't want to use the full kit option. So if that's something that interests you, keep watching. Okay, so just a little bit of background. PlannerKate usually offers 2 full kits each month and 3 mini kits. And the only difference between that is that the full kits have a month view option, such as this. So I picked this cute cacti kit 312 out for March. The mini kits have all of the weekly options, but they don't have month view options and they don't have those budget shells. And so I know a lot of people are like, oh, I really love that mini kit. I wish it had a month view option. Well, I'm going to show you how you can kind of pull items from the mini kit add-ons to make your own month view. So I was thinking, after I had purchased this cactus kit for March, it's my son's birthday, and I really didn't want to use that kit. I wanted to use the birthday kit. So I went ahead and pulled out the wide washi from the mini kit, which is add-on 5. And I got the thin washi, which is add-on 6 for that same mini kit. And then add-on 4, which are the day and day dot stickers. And I'm going to use this to make this, basically. I also thought if you didn't like this option, like if you didn't want the kit or the mini kits, something else that she's offering, which I really like, are these, and you could buy all 12 of them and then do like all of your forward planning. So these 2 sheets look like this, and you can search the month followed by the number 114 for this sheet, or like March 115 for this sheet. So I already have April down, and I went ahead just a couple days ago and purchased these shells for April, May, June, and July before the new Erin Condren planners come out. That way I don't have to worry about waiting for a kit. I can just do all my forward planning on my month view, and I'll have the stickers to do it, and it's going to look kind of cohesive. So I'm thinking about doing that for all of the new 2021, 2022 planner when that comes out, but that's like a side note. So let's go ahead and jump in and lay down a month view using a mini kit add-on. Okay, so I'm going to start with the thick washi first. Actually, I'm going to lie right off the bat. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to start with some thin washi to cover up those days, and I'm going to do that first so that everything lines up really well. And I think I'm going to use this striped washi, and I don't mind. I do this even on the actual monthly kits. I don't put it right on top of that colored bar. I leave a little bit of room. I like the white space there. So I'll do the same on this side. Okay, so I had to stop real quick and grab my ruler. This is how I cut my washi. And then I think next I'll put that thick washi down on top of that and probably line it up with that bottom, and that goes right to the top of the page. And then I'll put my other strip on this side. So now the other thing would be that you've covered up the name of the month. So I will show you what I'm going to use. I have some of my random little stickers in one of these smaller albums. I think I'm just going to grab one of my monthly labels, so you can search CLR9 for those. Those are black. And then she also has them like in the Gen Plans font, that's S1194. Or I have this other kind of scripty font. And I think that this is gonna show up the best. And you can kind of pick whatever matches your washi. These are bigger though, aren't they? See, I'm changing my mind. But I don't like this March green to go with that. So I'm gonna stick with my first instinct, which was the black. And I'm gonna put that, I think right here. Nope. The other thing is you can kind of look to see through the other stickers if you want to layer something to make it stand out a little bit more, which I think I am going to do. I think I'm going to grab this birthday balloon off the add-on 10 and put it up here, and then put that down on top of that. So now I know. It doesn't really bother me because I know what month it is when I turn to the tab, but I know a lot of people like to have that label up there. So I started with a thin washi, added the thick washi, and then layered that there. And then we need to obviously put on our days of the week. So now another good thing about doing it this way is if you wanted to reformat this, because it is a Sunday start, if you're in an Erin Condren planner, you could totally do that by making your Monday start here, and then you have the dots to cover up the days, and you could make this a Monday month view start if you wanted to. I am not going to do that, so I'm going to put my Sunday up here, and I think I will center it kind of on this line that's already printed in the planner. Whoops. Sometimes it's hard to get stickers to lay down straight when you're filming. I don't know why that is. It's like the pressure of someone watching you, because I feel like you guys are right here with me. And then the other option would be sometimes even when my kits come with the day dots, I usually don't end up covering them. I think since I have this kit and I changed this font, I'm going to go ahead and put these down over the printed dates. So I'll speed you up for that part so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Okay, so that's it. That is taking those add-ons and your month labels and turning a mini kit into a full kit so that you can have your month view layout. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. I think it's pretty comparable to what the regular full kit monthlies look like, aside from the large month labels, but I can totally live with this. I think it looks really cute. Thanks for watching and happy planning.